The next project I have going on is to upgrade the headlights. Driving at night in this big old thing, you gotta have bright lights. This thing has outdated bulbs, pretty much yellow. I did clean the lenses up a bit, still not very bright. So I went with the Xentec from Amazon. I believe it was $35, might have been $32 with a coupon. Comes with the transformers for each bulb. The wiring in this thing is not as described on the website. So in case you're doing your own, there are 2 grounds here connected in the middle, okay? 2 black. This model came with a black wire and a red wire, and other models come with red on both wires for the low and high beam. So the one using the most power would be the red wire, it's thicker. This is the other wire. You do have to press these in. They have little clips. They only go in one direction. You can see it looks like a T at the base, and the plug itself, or the pin, looks similar. So when you push it in, it'll lock and you can't pull it out unless you use a pick or something to bend that little tab and pull it out. But just so you know, the orientation is like so. Red on right, the double wire in the middle, thin black wire on the left. This is the old bulb, and it is a 9007 type of socket. You can see the same pin orientation as the plug I just showed you. So we're gonna get these installed, and we'll probably do a video later at night to see how bright they are, but let's get them in. All right, so I already removed the plug, but here's what the back of this looks like. It's just got a lock ring that you release, the plug comes out, and put the new socket in. So let's install that now. All right, so take one of these transformer ballast box, whatever you call it. You got the plug here. That's where this little guy goes. Make sure you put it on the right way. Alright, clips in. And then you got these two that plug into the light part. And they're only going to plug in one way, so. Make sure we orient these correctly. Alright, there's that one, and then this one. And there's a groove, or a tab that you have to line up with the groove inside. All together like that. So the white goes to the red, blue goes to the thicker black wire, and then the ground, as you'll see, has 2 grounds, one for each bulb. And again, here's the bulbs. You've got high beam on top, low beam on the bottom. All right, let's get it plugged in. All right, so I looked at the other light that I did not pull out yet, and this is facing flat side up, meaning when you look at it, this groove here is on top, and then there's 2 additional grooves on the bottom. So for this light, for it to fit means this is up, these 2 are down, and this bulb is on the right, this bulb's in the center. Well, that's not going to change, but so we'll see how it works. I figured that the high beam was like that on top, but no, it goes in just like that. So if you're fighting like I was, it's because it's not oriented right. So I fixed myself, so you know how to do it. Okay, it is now dark. I've got the new headlight on the right, the old one on the left. Turn them on. And that street light is not helping. However, you can see in the building across the street, the passenger side light is a whole lot brighter than the other. Go outside and take a look. It's gonna be a little windy. All right, to wrap things up, the wind was too much of a distraction, so I'm just doing a voiceover. The right hand is the old halogen bulb. The left is the new xenon bulb. If I hit the brights, they both are halogen. So that new bulb is a 2-bulb unit, has halogen for the brights and the xenon for the lows. Anyway, I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for more videos.